My cannonball experience was when my eldest son, Jimmy, who was studying in upper KG, that is Sunbeam, fell seriously ill and went to his heavenly abode in the year 1992. That brought me a mental shock. My family and me were fully disturbed, shattered, and depressed. That time, Reverend Father Jacob became my strength and helped me to overcome this tragedy. He inspired and encouraged me and gave an opportunity to work in this institution. And till today, under the guidance of all the Jesuits, I stand strong and determined.